What's up, fashionista? This is Forever Chic. Welcome. I'm your girl Lyra, and today we're talking about copying Nigerian designers' work. This is Bfyne, and we all know Bfyne are the ones who are ruling this Dashiki swimwear business. And it turns out Sylvia Ulson, who was featured at the Miami Swimwear Week, came out with same pieces as Bfyne, and I think they are identical. Okay, they are so identical. You know, you don't even need to be asking what happened here. But anyway, the thing that I want to talk about really is the fact that, like, this is the issue with lots of big brands or brands that are coming out and that are making it. People are duplicating, so you'll hear people talking about knockouts, you know, and if it's that, it basically means that they copy and they sell it for cheaper than what it actually is. So I'm not sure whether she did the same, but I'm gonna tell you her feedback or her response to the plagiarism accusations. And this is something big because, you know, this says a lot about an artist, a creator. If you have been accused of plagiarism, it's a problem. But you can see Jackie Aina, a lot of influencers are wearing Bfyne. It's one of those trending looks, you know. It's for the Bfyne babe who likes to travel. That's Portia Williams. Portia Williams, she's fucking stunning. Those curves. And the designer, who happens to be a designer from Nigeria, and he's Nigerian American, created this obviously for women to look voluptuous, beautiful, and sexy, and it is what it is. So as you can see, the pieces that Sylvia Ulson did came out. This is one of them, and you can see that they are super identical to Bfyne's work. And I want to say that Dashiki swimwear is not a Bfyne exclusive, although they have made the entire pieces on very different concepts that have been copied and that are being sold. It's a big, huge problem for designers, you know, where you come up with content, creative stuff that gets copied because other people want to buy it for cheaper. You know, Bfyne is retailing from $100 up, so it is high end. And the pieces are stunning, you know. It really represents true African chic. I love it. I definitely am ordering from Bfyne for my holiday babe bitch booty. So this is Sylvia Ulson, and her response to the entire thing was that she doesn't really sell swimwear, which confused me a little bit. I'm like, okay, why are you doing fashion shows and runways? Just for fun. That's what she says. And that she got some of these pieces. She had done the headgear, and she got the pieces from somebody who gave her samples that she thought would work. Okay, so she doesn't even know who Bfyne is, and this is her collection. So you can see that the other small pieces that she's added don't make any sense. Okay, and this is another runway, like, just to show that there's so many other people who are doing tribal theme concepts of swimwear. So we can't say it's exclusive for Bfyne, but Bfyne are trending and they are killing it. So subscribe and please hit that like button. Until next time, thank you so much for tuning in. Much love.